Assalamu alaikum, my name is Farhan Hyatt and I'm here with my colleague Rob Gilson. We're both from Surrey Police. I am Surrey Police's Positive Action Manager, which basically means I manage all the recruitment, progression and retention of police officers and staff that come from ethnic minority backgrounds. Specifically today we're at this fantastic event, Jalsa Salana, to talk about policing and talk about how we can help you join Surrey Police. We've got roles available as police officers, police constables, special constables within our control rooms, and lots of different kind of various positions within our force as well. We can give you one-to-one guidance, mentoring and support to help you join the police and support you at every step of the way. So please come and talk to us, engage with us about what you would like to do, what your career ideas are, and we can talk to you about how we can support you to join one of the best forces in the UK.